Hello and welcome to our video today on adding and subtracting decimals. Our objective is to be able to add and subtract decimals. Now, when you're adding decimals, let's have a look at these. We've got 3.456, 20.01 and 12.3. Little tip, if we're adding them, we're using a column method. Make sure that you get your decimal points in a line. And when you've got a missed out number here at the end, I've just filled that in red because it means then I make sure that I add nothing to the 6 there. And then I've got 12.3 and I put 2 zeros in the hundredths and the thousandths column. And then I just add these numbers up the usual way. 6, nothing and nothing would be 6, and 5 and 1, 6, 4 and 3, 7, and make sure my decimal point is in line. That is the most important thing, that your decimal points align. And then I would just add up my units and my tens, so I get 35.766. That is addition. What about subtracting decimals? Here's a question: what is the difference between 45.62 and 3.9? Well, the first thing you could say is one is bigger than the other. That is true, but by how many? That is the question. So we use the column method, the same so methods for whole numbers. So we've got 45.62. And again, if you're using a written method, make sure that everything is in line. The decimal points line up with each other, that you have got your tenths here and you've got your hundredths. Notice I've written a 0 in there. The reason for that is that you're doing 2 take away 0, which would be 2. Okay, and then we do the same. 2 take away 0 will get us 2. Because we can't do 6 take away 9, we borrow 1 from the unit, so that becomes 4, and that becomes 16. And then we just work across. 2 take away nothing is 2, 16 take away 9 is 7. We've got our decimal point. 4 take away 3 is 1, and 4 take away nothing is 4. So the difference between these two numbers, 45.62 and 3.9, is 41.72. So remember, get your decimal points in a line, one under the other, and make sure that every column is in line with each other. Thank you for watching. I hope that helps you with adding and subtracting decimals.